Did you know that the bowhead whale, a magnificent creature of the Arctic seas, can live up to 200 years? Yes, you heard right, 200 years. These colossal beings are the Methuselahs of the mammal world, gracefully navigating the icy waters of the Arctic for centuries. The bowhead whale's impressive lifespan is a testament to its resilience. Surviving in the harsh Arctic environment is no small feat, yet these whales have adapted brilliantly to their surroundings. They're uniquely equipped with a thick layer of blubber that keeps them warm even in the chilliest waters, and a large baleen to filter feed on vast amounts of tiny sea creatures. But the bowhead whale isn't the only mammal known for its longevity. Let's take a trip from the icy Arctic to the tropical forests of Asia, home to the venerable Asian elephant. These gentle giants can live up to 86 years, a lifespan that's as impressive as their towering stature and wise, wrinkled faces. They spend their lengthy lives in tight-knit matriarchal groups, traversing the lush landscapes in search of food and water. And then we have the orca, or killer whale, a creature that's as long-lived as it is captivating. Female orcas can live up to 100 years, outliving their male counterparts by several decades. These intelligent mammals lead complex social lives, communicating through a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements. It's fascinating, isn't it? From the Arctic's bowhead whale to Asia's elephant and the world's ocean's orca, these mammals are living proof of nature's incredible diversity and adaptability. Each species has its unique strategies for longevity, whether it's the bowhead whale's blubber or the orca's complex social structures. Now that's a lot of candles on a birthday cake, don't you think? So, how do we humans stack up against these longevity champions? You might be surprised to find out that when compared to some of the longest living mammals on Earth, humans are somewhat middle of the pack. The average human lifespan worldwide is around 72 years, give or take a few depending on the country. For instance, in Japan, known for its world-leading life expectancy, people live to be about 84 years old on average. On the other hand, in places like Sierra Leone, the average lifespan is tragically only around 54 years. Now let's put that into perspective. Compared to the bowhead whale, which can live for more than 200 years, our 72 years seem rather fleeting. Or consider the Asian elephant, who can enjoy life for up to 86 years, similar to a Japanese person's lifespan. However, it's not just about the number of years we live, but the quality of those years. Factors like lifestyle and healthcare play a significant role in human lifespan. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking can add years to our lives. Similarly, access to quality healthcare can help manage chronic conditions and prevent early death. Nevertheless, even with our kale smoothies and advanced medical treatments, we're still no match for some of the true Methuselahs of the animal kingdom. The ocean quahog, a type of clam, has been known to live for more than 500 years. And let's not forget the Greenland shark, swimming around in the icy depths for up to 500 years. So, while we might be the dominant species on Earth, when it comes to longevity, we're certainly not the champions. It's a humbling reminder of the amazing diversity and resilience of life on our planet. Even with all our technological advancements, we've got nothing on these natural Methuselahs. On the other end of the scale, some mammals have surprisingly short lifespans. Let's take a moment to consider the domestic dog, man's best friend, they say, and yet in the grand scheme of life, our furry companions are with us for but a fleeting moment. In general, dogs live to be around 10 to 13 years old. Yes, just over a decade. That's far less than a quarter of an average human life. Yet within that time, think of the joy, companionship, and unconditional love they bring. Then there's the rabbit, cute and cuddly, with a lifespan that's even shorter than our canine friends. On average, rabbits live to be around 1 to 2 years in the wild, and up to 10 years under human care. That's less time than it takes most of us to pay off our student loans. In that short span, however, they manage to bring a lot of happiness. And let's not forget a whole lot of other rabbits into the world. And let's not forget the guinea pig. These little furballs have an average lifespan of 4 to 8 years. That's less than the time it takes to graduate from college. Despite their short lives, they manage to bring a lot of joy to their owners, teaching us valuable lessons about caring for others and about the fleeting nature of life itself. Why the short lives, you may ask? Well, It's all about nature's grand design. These creatures have evolved to reproduce quickly and in large numbers. Their short lifespans are a trade-off for their rapid reproduction rates. But it's not all about quantity, is it? For these animals, and indeed for us all, it's the quality of life that truly matters. The joy they bring, the lessons they teach, and the love they share. All in a span of time that, to us, seems tragically short. So let's take a moment to appreciate these little creatures and the valuable lessons they teach us about making the most of our time here on Earth. Life in the fast lane indeed. From the fleeting to the eternal, lifespans in the animal kingdom are a study in extremes. Let's embark on a journey from the shortest to the longest lifespans and marvel at the diversity of life's clock. At one end of the spectrum, we have creatures with incredibly brief lives. The mayfly, a delicate insect known for its ephemeral existence, is one such example. These creatures are born, mature, mate, and die all within a single day. They are the epitome of live fast, die young, reminding us of the fleeting nature of existence. But let's not dwell on the short-lived. Let's turn our attention to the other end of the spectrum, where we find creatures that defy our understanding of age and time. One such wonder of nature is the Greenland shark. These mysterious creatures of the deep are the Methuselahs of the waters, living for up to 500 years. Their slow growth rate and cold habitat seem to contribute to their extraordinary longevity. In between these extremes, we find an incredible array of lifespans. The humble worker bee, for instance, lives for a few weeks, while some tortoises can celebrate their 200th birthday. Some parrots can outlive their human companions, reaching ages of up to 80 years, while the immortal jellyfish can theoretically live forever by reverting its cells back to their earliest form. Life in the animal kingdom is a marvel of diversity, not just in form and function, but also in the measure of time. From the ephemeral mayfly to the ancient Greenland shark, the range of lifespans is a testament to the ingenuity of nature and the adaptability of life in response to environmental pressures and opportunities. So, next time you see a buzzing mayfly or hear tales of the mysterious Greenland shark, remember that they represent the incredible range of life's clock. From a day to centuries, nature truly is full of surprises. So, why should we care about the lifespans of animals, you may ask? Well, understanding the lifespans of animals is a key factor in many areas. It's like a puzzle, where each species' lifespan is a piece that contributes to the bigger picture of life on Earth. Let's delve into this a bit more. Firstly, from a conservation perspective, knowing how long a species lives can help us make informed decisions on how best to protect and preserve it. For example, species with shorter lifespans may reproduce more rapidly and adapt quicker to changes in their environment. On the other hand, species with longer lifespans may be more vulnerable to environmental changes due to their slower reproduction rates. By understanding these dynamics, we can tailor conservation efforts to specific needs, ensuring the survival of diverse species for future generations to marvel at. Secondly, the lifespan of animals plays a crucial role in scientific research. By studying animals with extraordinarily long or short lifespans, scientists can gain insights into the biology of aging. This knowledge can be used to develop treatments for age-related diseases, and perhaps even extend human lifespan. Who knows? The secrets to longevity might be hiding in the DNA of a tortoise or a naked mole rat. Lastly, understanding animal lifespans enriches our understanding of life itself. It's a reminder of the diversity and complexity of life on this planet. It makes us appreciate the intricate balance of nature and our role within it. It's a humbling realization that we are just one species among millions, each with its own unique journey through life. So, the next time you marvel at the longevity of a Galapagos tortoise or the fleeting life of a mayfly, remember that their lifespans tell a story of survival, adaptation, and the relentless march of time. A story that we're all a part of. Knowing more about our fellow Earth dwellers not only enriches our lives but can also help us protect theirs.